Hello my dear students, good morning. How are you all? Our today's subject is Nature Study Oral and our topic is Common Colors. So in this chapter we will learn some name of the colors and we'll see things around us. Red, a red apple and a strawberry. Blue, a blue whale. Yellow, a mango and a sun. Green, a green tree. Orange, orange is orange in color. Pink, wow, a pink flower. Purple, a purple octopus. Brown, a brown horse. Black, our hairs are black. White, a white dog. And what color is next? It is grey. So children, for the homework you will learn the name of the colors. Alright. Thank you. Bye bye.